In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder sheets in Google Sheets. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and felt a little lost because the tabs are out of order, this quick walkthrough will make your workspace feel much more organized. Reordering sheets is simple. It doesn't change any data or formulas, and it's saved with the document so collaborators will see the updated sequence too. Start by opening your Google Sheets document in your browser. Make sure you're in the file where you want to tidy things up. Along the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Sheet tabs. These are the labeled tabs that represent each worksheet in your file. If you're working with a lot of sheets, you may need to glance along the bottom bar to spot the one you want to move. Once you've found the tab you want to reorder, move your cursor directly over that tab's label. Click and hold the tab. You should feel that slight grab feedback as the tab becomes movable. Keep the mouse button pressed. Don't release it yet. Be careful not to click the plus icon next to the tabs, which creates a new sheet, or to click inside the grid area, which selects cells rather than the tab. With the mouse button still held down, drag the Sheet tab left or right along the row of tabs. As you move it, you'll see a visual cue, usually a highlight or marker, showing where the tab will land. If your spreadsheet has many tabs and you drag toward the edges, the bar may automatically scroll so you can continue moving the tab further. Take your time and slide it to the exact position you want, whether that's near the beginning, grouped with related sheets, or at the very end. When you're happy with the position, release the mouse button to drop the sheet into its new spot. The change takes effect immediately. Your data, formulas, and references, like links to other sheets, remain intact, so you won't break anything by reordering. The new order is saved with the file, meaning the next time you or anyone else opens the document, the sheets will appear in this updated sequence. If you try to drag and nothing moves, double-check that you have edit access to the file. View-only access won't let you rearrange tabs. Also, make sure you're clicking the tab itself, not the cell area. That's all there is to it. A few seconds of reordering can make your spreadsheet clearer, faster to navigate, and easier to share with your team.